We thank our Lord staff for commissioning of this bridge. So now we'll go to the tent and have some Kalanwa session and maybe some discussion about this.
My lord.
हम लोग मशीन देगा काटे को, हम लोग खरीदेगा पीटी राइस। कैसे बात?
This area is 15 households, but the area was really behind in terms of agriculture development because they did not have proper access to the main highway. They were using temporary access, using logs, etc. We then decided that we will assist them in partnership with the community. As you see, we provided some of the main I-beams for the crossing, while they collected some money and bought the timber and did the construction themselves. Now we will assist them in fine-tuning the construction, and we will also assist them in fixing this farm road and also doing drainage. So we're looking at boosting rice production in this area. There's huge potential in rice production in this area. So we have had a good discussion with them. With small help like this, we can really have a major boost in production in this area, which was kind of isolated and disconnected from the main highway, which gets them access to the market. Well, the I-beam was, we got that from FRI totally free. They removed it from one place and it was lying there. So through the DO's office, we got I-beam organized. So you can see how Waterways, agriculture and rural development are working together to assist the community. So it's a collaboration between the three ministries. Rural and Maritime Development brought the I-beam here. Agriculture is getting the machinery to do the drainage work here, and Waterways is doing the construction, remaining construction of the crossing.
मेरा नाम महेश नंबियार है और मैं बालमबाला सेटलमेंट में रहता हूं और करीबन 30 या 40 साल से हम सभी यहाँ रह रहे हैं। हाँ, और जबकि आज मिनिस्टर साहब ने यहाँ पर आकर हम सबों के साथ मिलकर इसकी ओपनिंग की, हम बहुत खुश हैं। हम गांव वाले सभी बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि मिनिस्टर साहब ने हमें मदद किया और आज पहली बार है उनका आगमन इस सेटलमेंट में हुआ और उसके आने से हम सभी खुश हैं। आज हमारे पास में एक नया क्रॉसिंग है, अब हम यहाँ पर किसानी कर सकते हैं। मोटर गाड़ियों की समस्या भी ख़त्म हो गई आने जाने की। बच्चों जो स्कूल पढ़ते थे उनको भी सहूलियत हो गई, बूढ़ा पुरानिया सभी को सहूलियत हो गई। हम सभी बहुत खुश हैं इसके लिए।